Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix Wi-Fi is not connecting after iOS 26 update. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, scroll down and you can see option here, general. Tap on software update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Here, check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this, go back and turn on airplane mode. After this, wait 10 seconds and turn off airplane mode. After this, go back and tap on general, tap on screen time. Scroll down again, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and always disable this option. After this, restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again. After this, forget your Apple ID and join again. After this, if your problem is not solved, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network setting. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.